So this is my new Curt trailer hitch installed on my 2017 Subaru Forester. Again, it's from eTrailer.com. And I also have the Curt wiring harness for this specific vehicle installed along with it. Nothing too impressive, except this goes on extremely easily when following the instructions online and as provided in the packages. However, the package instructions for the wiring harness say that you're supposed to route the wiring from this left taillight assembly area. It's connected back in here, and you're supposed to route it down here and come out up and over the threshold every time you need to use the trailer wiring. Well, I didn't like that setup. So here's what I've done. I've pulled all the liner material out, as you can see in this video. And there's my wiring harness connected under and in front of the left taillight assembly. I've connected the fuse block back in here. The Curt wiring harness is here. I have the excess bundled and attached here. And I followed this body line down inside the spare tire wheel well. And I've used one of the factory Subaru rubber plugs. I've cut a hole in it. And I've routed the wiring through that. I'm going to pull this plug, and you can see my Curt wiring, my Curt hitch right here. Super easy to do. Now an outside shot will show you that the wiring harness exits the vehicle directly over the top of the hitch. I've routed the wires down the side of the hitch. I've just fastened them here for ease of access. Super easy to do. Much more accessible. And I feel it's safer.